I've been using the solar for a long time, since 1984, when I was in Africa as a missionary, and I was using the solar power. I've been using the power in Africa, even here. So when I met Mr. Sal, I was very much interested in, okay, you can do it. So he was very good guy. I love him. I trust him. Because of him, we set up this one. I'm so happy. This is mission organization. We have to save the money because we do not produce anything to sell. So we do not do any business. We are depending on donation and from churches. So economically, we have to already thinking about that. I have experience about solar power already. So this is very economic. As I told you, God made it. Free of charge. We don't need to pay. And there is no pollution. This is the best way. Many churches, they are working with me. Many Christians working with us. We have a newspaper. We have a voucher. I'm sharing the word of God always. I'm talking about the word happened here. Always I'm sharing. So we can save money. This money we can utilize for mission. House and this building. Yeah, I'm happy. It's a very dependable company and very trustable company. This is what I want to recommend to everybody.